What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to discover another amazing JavaScript library called Inferno. So that's the name of it. You can find it at inferno.js.org. Sorry, infernojs.org. And so Inferno is an insanely fast React-like library for building high-performance user interfaces on both the client and the server side. So I think I have to read that back again for you to get it clearly. So Inferno is an insanely fast React-like library for building high-performance user interfaces on both the client and server side. Yeah, so Inferno has native animation support. I guess that's a selling feature for it. And so it's React compatible, insane performance, and isomorphic, which means it means rendering on both client and server, along with fast booting from server side renders. And so yeah, so that's what Inferno is about. And here they kind of show us a little animation. You can shuffle these cards here easily just by clicking on the button. I guess that's a feature. So yeah, so here we can see it kind of outlines the differences between Inferno and React, and also the difference between Inferno and React. I think we saw React on the previous video. So Inferno doesn't have a fully synthetic event system like React does. Inferno has a partially synthetic event system, instead opting to only delegate certain events such as onClick. So Inferno doesn't support React Native. Inferno was only designed for the browser server with the DOM in mind. So Inferno doesn't support legacy string refs use create ref or callback ref API. So yeah, you can just kind of see maybe what it's all about, but basically you can see the contributors, you can see the community, you can see the different sponsors. So I guess Inferno is really putting the accent on high performance user interfaces. So let's kind of have a quick start of what it looks like. You can already see they've integrated a cool animation to the page. There you see the elements, the logo kind of moves to the top, which I find to be very interesting. I never really see that on websites though, but I guess it's a cool integration. So you can see here how to install it and how to get started with it. Kind of easy peasy, you know. And it equally has a page for the animations. This is how you can integrate some animations. Yeah, you can definitely check all that out. So let's see if it's popular or if it's not. So coming to their page here, you can see, okay, they have a whole project. You just go to Inferno specifically. Yeah, so you can see it has over 16k stars, which is relatively popular, I guess, you know. So yeah, so that's Inferno for you. I guess it's a lightweight React alternative, so definitely check it out. I don't use it personally, but I guess it has some merits to it. So yeah, so definitely check it out, and maybe you're going to find it very useful. So today I just wanted to present to you Inferno, which is just an amazing and insanely fast React-like library for building high-performance user interfaces on both the client and the server side. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think about it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.